Before we move forward, it's probably a good idea to pause for a moment and just highlight the various parts which we can now see exposed within the unit. The drive units sit either side of a magnet. Now from this angle the magnet's not so easy to see, as sitting right above it is an autostopper switch. The autostopper switch activates if the pump becomes unbalanced. The most common cause of such an unbalance is if a diaphragm splits. Each end of the magnet is bolted to the centre of a diaphragm, and this diaphragm sits within a valve box. These two pipes take the air produced by the diaphragms down and out of the pump, and ultimately down through your pipework to the place you need the air. One of the most common maintenance procedures you are likely to have to undertake is to replace a torn diaphragm. These discs operate very fast for thousands of hours a year and are naturally subject, eventually, to material fatigue. To get to the diaphragms, we need to remove the valve boxes and take the diaphragms off the ends of the magnet which actually moves them.